Hello everybody, Blaze Lantern here, and today we're gonna have another I guess value pack opening. And this time we're opening a pack of My Little Pony cards. There's 24 packs, 10 bonus foil cards, 2 theme decks, and how to play guide. So this is a 2-player thing. So let's open it up. We're most likely not gonna take a look. And that's how we, here's a guide and how to play the game. This is an empty box now. We got apparently Twilight Sparkle and Applejack a starter deck. And what do you call it? Rarity and Rainbow Dash starter deck. Okay. Other than that, we have 24 of these random cards, all strung about. And that says organize these a little bit. We go whoop whoop. Just toss it all to the side, and we'll see what we get. And each pack has about 12 cards in it. Okay. You know what? We'll use this box as I knock my background to throw all the cards in. Okay, let's just get started. And let's see, the first booster pack we got Noteworthy, Blue Moon. That, okay. Another horse, Parasprite, purple. Amnesia, I can't even say, Star Flitters, Cloud Chaser, and we got first a holo foil card, Professor Nay. Okay, and then we got an upside down card. That's always fun. Outside All, cool. And we got Fear Must Be Faced. Okay, and our final card is that. Okay, let's just continue on. We'll see what we could get, and if we get anything nice, we can just continue on. And why are these packs? There we go. Dance Fever. Okay. That same card, we got Sweet Sunshine, we got a Royal Guidance, we got Comet Tail, a freaking out Twilight. I think that's actually from Lesson 0. Noteworthy, Blue Moon, Apple Stars. I just noticed something. The last three cards are upside down. Don't know why that is. So the Yay. We got, oh, what is that? Nope. I thought that was a little graphic design, but apparently it's not. And our very last one, we have an event card called the Vision of the Future. And Pinkie Pie is a gypsy. That's always interesting. And opening these cards, I was just curious. And so, yeah, this is how we're gonna build it. And then we got Emerald Green. We got the yellow sprite. Oops. Blue Jay. High Spirits. That card. We have Applejack. Foul Free Press. Okay. The Mayor. Featherweight. Because Pinkie Pie hiding under a rock. And then our last one is Rainbow Dash. And this way, little one, from the flood side. And then we toss all these on the side. Because those are empty cards, and now we're gonna open up this. I don't know why I can't open these properly. There we go. And then we open it up. We got a mouse. A normal Mr. Nay. We got that card. Pinkie Pie Father, I believe. Royal Riff. Look like another event card. Spread Your Wings. Spring Forward. And, ooh! This is actually another event card, and it actually is shiny. Let's get this party started as our foil card. And I really should be putting those to the side. Oh well. And then we got the Ponyville Express. Daring Do. And look at the Disaster card. And okay. We're gonna continue on. How do you open this thing? Okay. There we go. Opening another card, toss that away. We got that. Apple Cobblers. And as my arm keeps falling down. Cool. Fighting Friendship. That card. The Bison. Some construction working pony. We got the Twilight Sparkle all-team organizer. That's always cool. Disaster card. Boutique. Another upside down card. We got double sexlets. Another card. And the critter got Cruisine. And we have so much more cards to go. I don't, well, to be honest, that's okay. And we got what our next card. I mean, anything good, anything exciting. We got Applejack. That card. We're gonna get a lot of doubles now. Mayor. Rarity Cat. Regala. Hotty Totty. Rainbow Dash again. The Royal Guard. But they can't really do anything, can they? Does look like all these are pictures from season 1 through 3, probably? That's how that actually looks like. Huh. I mean, I don't know what that was saying, and we're just gonna continue opening up these cards. Anyway, I guess when I started watching My Little Pony, it probably when my friends like said, hey, you should watch that show. I'm like, okay. Ended up watching it and kind of a fan of it now. But I have not watched the latest season. Got lazy because there's much. Ooh, I see something shiny. Let's go see what our shiny card is. And we got Doctor Hoobs! Oh, yeah. One of the more valuable cards in this set, actually. So, that's actually nice. And so we'll put that to the side. Then we get Pinky Sense, Rainbow Dash, another card. And I'm trying to hold it up to the camera, but sometimes I feel like I'm slightly failing due to the fact I have a weird setup. And when you have a weird setup, you sometimes don't do things that correctly. Anyway, let's we're still gonna speed run through this. Purple, and we're gonna stop and mark the shinies if there is. You go like that. Friendship battle. Guy with a snowplow getting zapped by lightning. This is, I think we did not got that card before, so okay, that's actually cool. Evil Bunny and a touch of refinement. Okay. And then we open our next pack and slightly doing this off camera since easier time doing it off camera than on camera. Okay. Like, I feel like I think I saw a shiny in here, but I don't know if that's the case. It's like every seems like every other third pack we get a shiny. Okay. Okay. Rainbow Dash. Royal Guard. Okay. Okay. Owlissus. Okay. Pinkie Pie. Okay. Golden Grape. Okay. Upside down card. Okay. Evil Bunny again. Okay. Another card. Okay. Oh. And what I did not look, because I was buried and I had to toss out everything because that's the way I am, because I don't think. We did not look at our foil cards. So-called 10 foil cards. So let's take a look, shall we? We got Dr. Hoobs in his 3D glasses. That's always is a boost card. We got Final Scratch. We got Applejack and Apple Teeny. Okay, we got Twilight Sparkle with the joke plant thing. Yeah, and we got a Derpy, which is also known as Muffin, I believe. That's cool. And then we got again the Gala, going to Gala greeter Twilight, and we got a Princess Luna. Okay, cool. This is actually an unending nightmare. I think never-ending nightmare would sound better, but okay. That's cool. Nice sign. Rarity, the Cutie Mark Consulant. And Future Twilight, which I always think of it as Snake. Okay, cool. That's all of our fantasy cards. And then we have so much more to do. So much, so little time. So many cards. We got all the fancy ones, man. Okay, not really. Blue Jays. Bird. Wait, okay, that's a bird. Applejack. Valve Free Press. Mr. Miser. Okay, there we go, 2 bits. Okay, we're gonna go right down to the danger down, and then we got the tricky hat from Trixie. And then that card, I did not even look. Okay, now I'm losing my mind from opening cards. Okay, let's have to go the new one, and Bodibo. Okay, we thought that away, and then we got the Hotty Totty. And as I slowly lose my mind, we're gonna go there. Pegasus, okay, the Fluttershy, the Owl, Pinkie Pie. We're going speed running this. Okay, Granny Smith, man. And Sunny Smiles, okay, Fluttershy again. We got Auntie Applesauce. And she lost her teeth. And then the fighting over the Smarty Pants. Okay, but now we're gonna go with the Booba. And okay, well, we're gonna open up the pack, and then we're gonna open it up good. If we do that, we all those are mine after opening 24 packs, and we start seeing the same card over and over and over. You had the same thing. Rubber chicken. Okay, cool. Then we got a Wuna. Brown Betty. Lotus. Derpy. And Bunny. And we got the refinement taste. And we still have a half a pack to go, man. Okay, boom. Okay, this is open. Boom. Then we got Berry Dream. The Rising Star. Something. Jetstream. Cool. Brown Sparrow Sprite. Okay, Sugar Twinkie. Dancing Fever. Okay, we're gonna go down. Then we stay up and fly bright. And we're trying to take care of the thing. And now we're taking cover from this Flim Flam dude. And then the hard hat of destiny will protect us from falling debris. And I cannot grab any more cards. Okay, we're gonna go with the woo. Okay, and then we got another card. We got a Rubber Chicken. Oh yeah, we got this. We got Wuna. We got the Buddha. We got Old Granny. We got the most terrible thing. Okay, the Drama Queen. Da-da-do. We got some more cards. There we go. And then we got Fluttershy, but not shiny, so I don't care. But Fluttershy's best Capone. Okay, and then we go like that. Okay. And we're almost down to our final few packs. And now we can... Oh, okay. There we go. Not exactly the way to rip it, but I'd take it. Okay, we got that. Celestial Guidance. We got Comic Tail. Twilight. Do that. The Blue Moon. Something. Celestial Boo. Spiky. And then the whole Fast and Fiesta. oil salt, and more Pinkie Pie. Okay, cool. Okay, we're gonna continue on, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it right, and we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna get something fancy. Probably not. Who the hell knows? Okay, we're gonna do it upside down now. Okay, do we have to keep it interesting? You know, do we have that? Do we have that? Do we have that? Do we have that? No. We have everything, and I see something shiny, and I'm getting excited. Okay, let's see what our shiny card. Ooh, shiny, and we have Daring Do, Villain. No, that's Ross. That's the Bilbo. Oh, the Bilbo. Okay, good. Okay. We have Pinkie Pie. And these, I need some answers. Yes, I do need to answer Twilight. Why am I slowly losing my mind opening 24 packs of cards? Anyway, we go ba-boom. We got a boom buddy. Okay, ba-boo, boo-boo, boo-boo. And we're upside down again. Okay, we're gonna do this the way that they want us to do it. Okay, we got Pinkie Pie, we got Fluttershy, we got Luna, we got Doody, we got a movie, Wabu, wow. We got that, and this, but no one cares because we got another shiny Spirit Sprite Swarm. Because these are troublemaker little dudes. And we always like to, I don't know how. That was one thing I never understood. Is the Parasprite like immortal? Because it looked like what, no matter what you could do, you can't actually destroy them. But then again, I don't think My Little Pony ever looked into that. So, okay. And that's how, what do we do in the random, we overanalyze random things for no reason. Okay, we're gonna open it up, and then we're gonna go like this, boom, 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 boom. Let's toss it up. Who is Gabby Gums? I don't know who it is. And we're gonna do the speed run. Okay, do boo. Mouse. Okay, naysayers. Okay. Grandpa. Not Grandpa. Man, whatever. Doing that. Protect. Stop. Upside down card. Okay, we gotta go and go and go. When. Then that's a good one. Oh, focus studying. Okay. And we have down to our last 4 cards. Actually, 5 cards. I can't count. This is number 6 then. Okay, so we gotta boom ba boom. We're gonna boom and we're gonna boom and we're gonna cut a boom. As you know what that means, leave the comment down below. If you don't, still comment about it. What you think it means. I'm slowly losing my mind. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's good. In the hood. Oh, it's something brown. Okay. Okay. Whoa, that Nelly. Okay. 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 Now our last 5 packs, and let's see what we get. Oh, there we go. Got that? Royal Rift. Berry bada bing da bing. Rising star, he's the star. Oh, we got Shiny. And Sipsape. But I think he's Probably Derpy Manager, I don't know. Okay. My brain just froze for a second. Please wait a while, but okay, never mind. Get back up. Okay, let's go. Keep on going. Do 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 do. Too much spy da da da. Or now number 4. Boom bam ba boom. Uh-oh. No, I don't want to bend that card. Bending cards are bad. Okay. We said gonna go, we said tossing the cards to the side because we saw this all before. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Oh, that's a new one. Da 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 da. Well, that's a precarious situation. Anyway, that's 3 now. No! It opens stupid. Oh wait, no, I saved it. Aha! I didn't need the scissor to open this. So we got. This is our last 2 packs. Let's see what we get. We get something good. We get something good. Some good. So, folks. Okay. Ooh, what an too bad that's not shiny, but that's interesting. And we got the Wild Manticorn. Okay, a bully and a beast. And we all know that episode. Then the bad seed, the bully, so secrets just fit in. And we all know bullying is wrong, so don't do that. And the last and final set of cards we get for all the commons. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, okay. What? See something that's something I like. Let's see the undercover inventor. Ooh, and we got the drill bit shininess. Even though it's a common card, I believe, but you know, foil cards are always nice to look at. Outside them all, okay, cool. Feared, and our final card is 795 wing power. And that will be it for the pack opening. And if you enjoyed this, hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos like these. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.